Hello, today we're gonna change the laptop screen for HP Probook 4520S. First of all, we have to ensure that we disconnect the cable. Second thing, we have to take the battery out. And put it aside. Now that we have disconnected the power, we can start working on it. First, we have to use a screwdriver to open the hidden screws. Where the hidden screws are, there are small buttons for it. There are several of them, and we have to take them all out. Now we're gonna use the Phillips screwdriver to open the screws. Now that we took all the screws out, we had to put a little power on it. We have to take off the cover, the plastic cover. You can just do it with your hands. Till everything comes out. Okay, now we removed it, the cover. Now we have the rest of the screen. Now, as you can see, we have some screws on the top and the bottom. We have to take them out. We have to release them. Okay, so we took the screws out from the top. Okay, we have the both of the screws. You can put them aside for a second. Now the screen, a little bit released, and then you can see the screws on the side. We have 4 screws on the side, 4 screws on each side. But it might be that you cannot reach all of the screws at once, so you have to release the bottom screws just to reach the other screws on the side. So I'm gonna try to release a little bit the screw down here. And in the end, don't forget that you release them. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we can reach all the other screws on the side. And you should start taking them out. Now that we took all the screws out, we have the screen disconnected. You see that we have here a cable. This is the camera cable, so we have to disconnect it. Okay, this is the way you disconnect it. You just plug it in back when you put the new screen, when you need it. Now the other cable that we have here, it's thick, it has a tape on it, so you have to remove the tape. Now you have the other side, another tape. Okay, so you should just take it up, the connection, okay, the hinge, and it goes out. As you can see, it is a special connection. When you put it back, so just snap it in and close it by taking this down, this part down. So now we're disconnecting the old screen. Okay. This is the old screen, which doesn't work. This is our new screen. It comes with a tape and some cover on it. You should see the same connections right here. This is the same connection. So we just put it back. We should snap it in, the connection, and now you close it tightly. And we have the tape. You can tape it back. We should connect the new screen with the screws that we used to take the old one out. So now we have 4 screws on each side and we have to connect it. That's what we're gonna do now. Now we have to connect the camera cable back in as follows, and it's in. Now what we have to do is to screw all the screws back as they were. It should be quite tight because otherwise the screen can move and you don't want the screen to move, so it should be quite tight. Now that we finished that, we can take the plastic off and put the cover back. Put the cover back as it was. On that point, you can connect the laptop to the power source just to check if it works. And if it works, all you have got left is to put back the screws on the button and to put the plastic covers on again. So that's all you need to do to change your laptop screen. Thank you very much.